coming to you straight after work today because I have a very important message that I want to share with you, and I'm just motivated right now to share it. So in this video, I am giving you my fast 5 tips for avoiding a retinoid dermatitis. Make sure you are subscribed to my YouTube channel, The Budget Dermatologist. I give advice for real skin coming straight to my exam room to you here on YouTube, where I help you level up your skincare routine without overspending. And come join the fun on TikTok and on Instagram at The Budget Dermatologist. So I just got done seeing my patients in my dermatology private practice clinic today. That's why this is top of mind. So my last 3 patients of the day, I gave the exact same educational talk to, like verbatim. Some days I just feel like a broken record. So why not say it a 4th time today here for you? I'm just gonna put this out here so that everybody can benefit from this, because it is very, very, very good advice. And it's important advice if you are starting a retinoid. And I say it's important advice because most people who start a retinoid fail the retinoid. So you, as one of my followers, I do not want you in that category. Now, you could be potentially starting a retinoid. And when I say retinoid, it's a broad term. It could be retinol, retinaldehyde, a prescription tretinoin. It could be adapalene. Any of those. You could be starting one of those if you have acne, if you have dark spots on your skin, if you have uneven skin texture, if you have fine lines and wrinkles and photo aging. There are so many reasons that people use retinoids because it is extremely effective for all of those things I just mentioned. But the main 2 reasons that people start a retinoid are for acne and anti-aging improvement. Now, retinoids are one of the greatest of all time skincare ingredients, but they notoriously can cause horrible side effects for many people. So you have to use them just extremely carefully and correctly to get the benefits without the side effects. So here are my fast 5 tips to get results from your retinoid without the side effects. Tip number 1, start with the lowest strength retinoid. We do not want fast results because that is when you're going to get fast side effects. We want a slow climb, I promise you. If you are getting a prescription, I like to start with the lowest strength and gradually increase from there if you even need to. I have actually so many people controlled on the lowest strength of retinoid and they don't even need to increase it. If you are looking at over-the-counter options, my favorite is by Aven. It's from their Retinoid line, which is the closest thing to prescription strength. The main retinoid ingredient in it is called retinaldehyde. It comes in a 0.05 strength and a 0.1 strength. Start with the 0.05. I have that one linked below. It is the one product that is the biggest game changer in my own routine. You can actually get immediate results with it when it comes to skin texture and glow, and then your anti-aging results will build gradually over time. Another example, perhaps you are looking at some of these medical grade brands like SkinCeuticals or SkinMedica. You will find that they have a retinol that also comes in various strengths. I encourage you to start with the lowest strength product that they offer. Tip number 2, do not use it every night at first. The most common mistake I see, okay? You will use this at max 3 times per week when you first start. I have some patients actually that even start off less frequently than that. And if you are getting any redness or dryness, you are going to wait until your skin fully recovers from that before applying it again. You can get improvement with topical skincare ingredients that you do not use every night. So it is absolutely not all or nothing. So take 1 or more days off in between uses. You can gradually work your way up nightly if that is right for you. Tip number 3, apply your moisturizer before your retinoid in your nighttime skincare routine. This is crucial, okay? Think of it like a sandwich. So you're going moisturizer first, then your retinoid, then another layer of moisturizer on top of that. This is going to temper the effects of the retinoids. And yes, you can absolutely still benefit with the retinoid on top of the moisturizer. And then as you get used to it and prove that you are not getting side effects, you can graduate to just 1 layer of moisturizer after the retinoid. But at first, your routine is going to be cleanser, moisturizer, then retinoid, then moisturizer. Clear? Okay, tip number 4, use barrier repair products to reinforce your skin barrier on your off nights from retinoids. These are going to be things like your barrier repair moisturizer that has ceramides, peptides, and even niacinamide in it. I love the one by CeraVe, the Skin Renewing Night Cream. It is my top budget pick. Skin Fix also has a great barrier repair cream. I actually prefer the gel version. It is a bit more pricey. All of these that I mentioned, I am going to link in the description of this video. I also recommend niacinamide serums. These are really great for acne prone skin, or if you want to kind of decrease the look and size of your pores. There are great options for niacinamide serums at various price points, but one of my personal favorites is by Paula's Choice. I also love the one by the Inky List. But the point here is that you want to have a really strong and healthy skin barrier so that you avoid side effects from your retinoid. And tip number 5, when all else fails, or when you do not want to use a topical vitamin A derivative or retinoid, maybe you're pregnant or breastfeeding or for some other reason, you can try a retinol alternative product that will give you similar benefits without the side effects. My personal favorite ingredient is Bakuchiol. I have my top 2 Bakuchiol products linked below. I have a splurge option and I have my current favorite that I am using right now as my budget option. That one has a really strong 2% Bakuchiol in it. No irritation at all from that product. So Bakuchiol is a plant-based retinol alternative that works on the same pathways to give you similar anti-aging benefits, such as fading fine lines and wrinkles, improving your skin texture, fading dark spots, improving radiance, and some studies even suggest that it can help decrease acne. The reason that I say this is a great alternative is because studies prove that the side effects are way less for this category of products, again, and you are still getting the benefits. So if you cannot tolerate retinoids, even though you are following my tips 1 through 4, then try this. I am linking some of my Bakuchiol videos in the description that I have recorded so you can learn more about it. Now, in my routine, you guys are always asking what I actually do in my personal routine. So I use my retinoid at night and I double down on my anti-aging by using my Bakuchiol serum in the morning. So you could try that too if you are doing well in your nighttime routine already and you just want to take it to the next level. And now I'm going to leave you with my most important piece of advice. It's to be consistent, not frequent, but consistent with your skincare routine to get results. So thank you for coming to my little post-clinic talk here today. Make sure you guys are subscribed to my channel for more skincare education. And like I said, come join the fun on TikTok and Instagram at The Budget Dermatologist. See you guys soon.